How to turn on keyboard sound on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device over here. As you do that, scroll down and then tap on additional settings over here. Next, tap on languages and input. As you do that, here you can see the keyboard option over here. So tap on manage keyboards and select on the keyboard that you are currently toggled on or that you are using right now. So tap on any of this keyboard and then tap on the preferences option over here. So tap on preferences and then scroll down, and here you can see the option of key press. So tap on sound on key press and make sure that you toggle on this option. And as you do that, you can select on volume on key press, vibration strength on key press, and so on, so that you can have your keyboard sound turned on your Android. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.